This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Polkadot today. First, let's put my charts into perspective. This is a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars that you're seeing are volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. This purple line that you're seeing here, this is Camarilla Pivot S4. This blue line that you're seeing right here, it also extends back here in this area. This is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the daily chart. What I'm seeing setting up, we just hit target. So we just hit target on Polkadot. Here. Okay, so I'll walk you through what I was seeing here on Polkadot. So here on the daily chart, what I'm seeing, this is the 200 EMA here on the daily chart. We're trading well below this. Volume profile, we don't have much going on here in volume profile in any of the previous days. We have to go back over a week where we have any elevated volume. Today, nothing significant, or at least so far. What is noticeable here is we're in quite an overbought condition here in Polkadot. Also here we've got on the MACD, we've got buyers having momentum, and we have the MACD is positive here and trading above the average. Here on the 15-minute chart, what we have here is we can see here this morning here at, let's see, here is where today opens up, and Polkadot opens up below this S4 level here. Opens up below this S4 level, is consolidating here at the S4 level, gets bought up above and then sells off back below, and quite a ways back below. When I see this, I also see this. I see this isolated pivot high right here that gets my attention. Also it's happening right at the S4 level and right here in right here with the S4 and the 200 level. So to me, this shows that this is retesting this level and is likely to fail at this level. So I took the entry here in this next candle after this isolated pivot high, or within this isolated pivot high. These three candles here make up the isolated pivot, with this being the isolated pivot high, this candle. So I take the entry here, but after taking the entry, I put up a Fibonacci retracement here. And then this particular candle, the isolated pivot high, came right to the 0.618 level. So even though I took this trade without using the Fibonacci, which is what I normally use, seeing this isolated pivot high in conjunction with the S4 and the 200 EMA levels, and it also had the proper risk to reward for me to take the trade. These three things and the way that it was setting up, I didn't know if I would have time to do everything that I needed to do, which I did everything with the exception of setting up the Fibonacci retracement. So I did this after the fact. So taking a trade at the 200 EMA is ideal for me because price action is unlikely to reverse from here once it's sold below in this level. But it is actually good to put the Fibonacci up to catch your levels where you would like them. But in this scenario, I went on and took the trade with everything that I was seeing, and then just got confirmation once I put the Fibonacci level up here. So we can see the price action when I take the entry here. So here we are at very overbought condition here when I take the entry, and in the next candle we get the crossover of the slow K, and the slow K crosses under the slow D. We can see increasing buyer momentum, with buyer momentum peaking or climaxing here when I take the entry, so showing maximum pullback, me wanting to take, or I'm wanting to take positions at the maximum level of pullback, or anywhere in between this 0.618 and this 0.764 level. So I catch it just under the 0.618 level, which is as high as the price action got in this isolated pivot high candle. We can see later we get confirmation of the sell-off and crossover with the MACD going negative here, sellers taking control, and you can see now that we are in a oversold condition. So it is possible that there could be more selling, or we could just be done here at this level. But this particular trade idea was an S4 to an S6 traverse, and this level, I'll zoom out, this level here where I took profits, this is the S6 level. Actually, there's an old level here that's not valid, or it could be a level, but it's not a level that I have set for today. So this is the S4 level, and here is the S6 level right here where I took profits. So this is my trade on Polkadot today, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.